This is called the shop vac technique. It is a way to remove discomfort that may be in your body, particularly in relation to triggering or trauma. And it's a technique that we may be using to support you as we apply the four blinks procedure to work with past traumatic events. And those can be big T or little t traumas that we might do this with. So you can use this anytime that you need to practice it and to get you ready for our work. So if you come across any difficulties in this, please be sure to reach out if you're my client, or reach out to your own healthcare providers if you're not my client. Also keep in mind, of course, crisis resources, which I can list below. So for the shop vac technique, think about if you've ever seen a coin vacuum at a car wash, or if you have used a shop vac that has the hose and the canister, and picture one of those. If you don't have a visual imagination, you can just imagine it in whatever way works for you. So go ahead and imagine that vacuum and having the hose, and imagine the feel of the suction a little bit against your hand if you held that tube to your hand. And now imagine sucking up a little pile of dirt or debris. And now scan through your body and find anywhere that there is a feeling of discomfort. That might be tension, or it might be a sense of other bad feeling or bad energy, or just not feeling settled. So scan yourself head to toe and notice where that is. And then go ahead and take that shop vac in your imagination, eyes closed if it helps you. And imagine that shop vac sucking out and sucking away that sensation as if it was colored smoke. Imagine all of that going into the canister of your shop vac. Keep on going until it feels like that's done. And then in your imagination, take that shop vac and send it far, far away until it's a tiny speck in the distance, hundreds of miles away, or even farther. If it helps, you can send it into space. And now scan your body head to toe and check, is there anything remaining? And if there's more remaining, or if you've noticed other areas, go ahead and bring in another shop vac and go through that process again of vacuuming out that colored smoke, that discomfort. See it going out of your body and into that shop vac canister. Feel that happening. Good, and when you're done with that, just like before, send that canister hundreds of miles away, out of awareness, till it's a tiny speck or gone. And that's the technique. So you can check in and notice how that feels for you. And that's something that you can do anytime you need to. We'll bring that up now and then if we need to while we're doing 4 blinks or other trauma work. And so I hope that'll help you.